Today we are going to open a super cool box. Redmi's K80 Pro Champion Edition is a collaboration with Lamborghini. Wow, its packaging is also made with special details, alas. Inside this container, there exists a wire, a charger, a cell phone, and more. There should be a mobile phone case in this small package. Let's open this first. Oh, what about this one? It's a business card with a card pin behind it for you to see. It's super fine. The card pin here says Lamborghini, and then it's a black one. Isn't it quite beautiful? Dang dang, there is a mobile phone case like this. The mobile phone case is like this, with a small edge of carbon fiber on the top and green on the bottom. Advanced, there is also a leather case here, and a 120-watt fast charging plug with Lamborghini logo is starting to turn on the mobile phone. Prior to the yellow, I experienced this vibrant green sensation that seemed to pop significantly more than the latter. Wow, it's super pretty. I have to rip this thing apart. The texture of my mobile phone is so cool. Look at it. It is made of carbon fiber, which itself symbolizes this kind of performance and speed. Then the Y-shaped red in the middle actually feels very speed. At the same time, it's a Lamborghini cooperation model now. This logo from Lambo feels the same way. In addition, look at the green color underneath it. Wow, this one is so handsome. This one feels like the paint on the supercar. Do you know which car was inspired by this mobile phone? It's the Lamborghini Huracan GT3 Evo 2 racing car. I think it's really cool. Then let's take this mobile phone case and feel it. Actually, I think. This is the thing, the cell phone cover. Oh no, I would rather not have this case. Indeed, oh well, please no. Given that, in my opinion, this case simply can't match the current vibe it's giving off. Really sleek. What are your opinions on this?
Cool enough, huh?